The US government is demanding Reddit reveal the identity of a user who criticized immigration and customs enforcement online. The twist? What they posted wasn't actually illegal. Here's what happened. A Reddit user posted critical commentary about ICE. The content wasn't particularly unusual for social media, and nothing they did was illegal. Despite this, the government wants Reddit to hand over information that would unmask this anonymous user. To force compliance, authorities cited a law from 1930 and summoned the company to a grand jury. That's right, a law nearly a century old is being used to pursue someone for political criticism on a modern social media platform. So why would the government take this step if no law was broken? The answer likely relates to doxing. Under current law, doxing is perfectly legal as long as it doesn't come with obvious death threats. Even oblique suggestions like encouraging people to visit someone's address without explicit violent language may be legal depending on context. This legal grey area appears to be where this case sits. The user may have shared information about ICE employees or operations that the government considers sensitive, even if the act itself didn't cross into illegality. What makes this case significant isn't just what happened, it's what it signals. Many in the tech community see this as raising serious concerns about the future of platforms like Reddit when it comes to user privacy and free speech protections. If the government can compel platforms to unmask users for legal speech, what precedent does that set? The calculus changes when anonymity can be stripped away not for breaking laws, but potentially for political speech that makes government agencies uncomfortable. Reddit now faces a choice: comply with the demand and potentially undermine user trust in platform anonymity, or resist and face legal consequences. Either way, this case is being watched closely as a test of how much protection anonymous political speech actually has in practice. This situation sits at the intersection of old laws, new platforms, and fundamental questions about anonymous speech. Do you think social media platforms should be required to unmask users who haven't broken any laws?